Hello, this is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making a video today on the 10 best advanced tools you can get to work on your vintage outboard motors. So I've already made a video on the 10 basic tools. Refer back to that video to see what you need to just get started. Just the basic flywheel puller, spark checker, things like that. If you want to move into the next level of restoration or repair on vintage outboards, I got a set of 10 advanced tools that you should get to make your job not only easier but more enjoyable, because you'll get it done better. So if you're ready, here we go. So the first tool I'm going to recommend to you is a good set of screwdrivers. So I've tried them all. I've tried the DeWalt's, I've tried the high dollar ones, and the best screwdriver set that I can recommend to you is a Doyle. You can get them at Harbor Freight or online. They're awesome handle grips on them. There's the heads on them fit, and most of them have the steel head for driving, for tapping things out. So this is a Doyle. You can get a set of 6 at Harbor Freight for $19.99. I highly recommend them. All right, so the second set of tools for advanced work on motors I'm going to recommend are long reach pliers, standard and the Phillips. Long reach, so your motors have some areas in there that you can't really reach to get to. You can use these screwdrivers to get down in there. All right, highly recommended. Long reach screwdrivers. These are Pittsburgh screwdrivers, PH 2X 22 inch. And the number on these are 22 inch long reach, and you can get them at Amazon for $12.99 each. Highly recommended. All right, so advanced tool number 3 is going to be long reach pliers. All right, just like the screwdriver, there's areas that you can't reach when you drop a screw in or you're trying to pull something out, and I highly recommend these long reach. Once again, it's a Pittsburgh. You can get them on Amazon for $12.99. All right, that's number 3. So tool number 4 is a really cool one I like. It's a grabber tool with a light on the end. Okay, so you drop something down in the hard to reach area that you can't get with the long reach pliers or whatever, you just grab the handle. When you press the handle, the light comes on and you can see what you're working on down inside there to get your nut or whatever is falling inside. All right, this is made by Central. Part number is 70396, and you can get it at Lowe's for $9.98. Highly recommended. All right, so tool number 5 is a Coil locator ring. All right, so this ring you'll see in all my videos when I'm doing a ignition magneto rebuild, and you set your coils in on the armatures. You set this ring over it and it lines up the coils when you screw them down so that they'll be flush with the armature to get good spark. Highly recommended. You can do it with a screwdriver to try to make them even, but this is the best way to do it. All right, so the part number on this is a 317001, and you can get it at everythingoutboards.com for $29.99. All right, so the next advanced tool is going to be number 6, and it's going to be a prop puller tool. All right, so if you're ever working on, somebody brings you an outboard to work on and they haven't properly greased the prop shaft or never taken the prop off in 20 years, you can't get the prop off, you got to get it off. So this prop puller tool comes with a set of chains. Okay, put this on the nose of the prop with the chains around the prop. Screw it down until the prop pulls off. If you've ever dealt with a stuck prop, you know it's tough. This tool will get it off, all right? So this prop puller tool is a universal tool. Part number is WSM 983-185. And you can find them on Amazon for $265. But I recommend it. All right? So the next tool is number 7, and it is a set of Hex Allen wrenches. But unlike the hand Allen wrench set that you're used to working with, this one has sockets. So you can put it on your socket wrench. Starts with the 1/4 inch, works its way up to 1/2 inch for the bigger sizes, and you can use your ratchet socket to get the hex bolts off on the cylinders inside your block. Have hex nuts on the piston holders. All right, so there's a whole set here. I highly recommend you get. Make your life a lot easier. All right, this set is made by Nico, and it is part number 04204A, and you can get them on Amazon for $41.99. Highly recommend it. All right, so the next recommended set is number 8, and it's a set of extractor bits. So you have a stuck screw or a strip screw or a bolt that won't come out and you want to get it out. The best way to do it is to drill a hole and use an extractor tool to pull it out. Well, I've tried all the sets you buy at the Home Depots and all that, and the bit breaks, the extractor tool itself strips or whatever. This is the best set to get. All right, it has the bits that come with it, all the bits, and all the extractor tools also fit on a socket to pull it out. Big deal. If you've ever used extractor bits, you'll appreciate the design on this one. So this extractor bit set is made by Erwin Hansen. All right, and the part number is 11135ZR, and the best price I found on that was on eBay for $177. But if you've had stuck bits before, you want to get you one of these. Okay, and number 9 advanced tool set is going to be a tap and die set. So if you've ever had strip bolts or anything you wanted to tap and die with, you've probably dealt with some of the smaller sets they have, and they're not real good. This is a great set. All right, this set has metric and standard, which working on my OMCs and Emerald and Johnson's, I only need the standard size, but it's got all the taps and dies for the sizes you need. It's a really good set. It's made by Gear Wrench. Okay, it's Gear Wrench. The part number on it is 3887, and you can get it on Amazon for $166. Alright, and advanced part number 10, which I think is the neatest one of all that you mostly will use, is going to be a drill press. And I'm going to show you my drill press now. Okay, so my drill press is here, and I use it mostly not for drilling holes, but I put a wire brush on it and use it for cleaning my parts. Alright, I sell parts on eBay and I restore motors, so cleanliness is a big deal. So I like my little drill press for that. And I use a Central Machinery 12-speed bench drill press. It's a 10-inch, and you can get it at Harbor Freight for $149. Highly recommended. Alright, so in conclusion, let's summarize. Alright, your 10 advanced tools were 10 number 1. Tool number 1 was a screwdriver set. Tool number 2 were long reach screwdrivers. Tool number 3 were long reach pliers. Tool number 4 was a grabber with a light on it. Tool number 5 was a coil locator ring. Tool number 6 was a prop puller. Tool number 7 was an Allen wrench set. Tool number 8 was extractor bit sets. Tool number 9 was a tap and die set. And tool number 10 was a drill press. So with those 10 tools and the 10 basic tools in my previous video, you will be able to advance your skills in restoration and repair of vintage outboards. Magic. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please click on subscribe and stay tuned for weekly videos. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at Team Bikes Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe or guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.